Hi traders, we just closed two positions and we have one open trade running. We're going to be talking about which instruments we have been taking those trades on and also about any potential trade setups that are coming up. And we're going to be talking about this and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and joining our Master the Markets team in supporting our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. It is Stu Upon here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders, I'm just going to go through some of the trades today. So one is Bitcoin, we just hit our target today. I will go on to the weekly and just run through this trade which we have been constantly updating in our Master the Markets channel, right? Master the Markets 2010, and we've been talking about this 11th of October. You can see number 3, and then you can go on to look at number 2 over there. If you just keep scrolling down, you can see number 2 in terms of Bitcoin. You see number 2, and then you can go on to number 1. You can also follow it through our live trading session updates. So we've been looking at this in real time, not just hindsight today, right? So you can see we're capturing all these trades in real time. We also take the losses in real time too, right? So this one over here, we took it in terms of alignment with our smart money framework, which is what we have developed here, bespoke and Master the Markets, and in alignment with the VSA light indicator, which is the volume indicator designed by the Trade Guider team. So over here, traders, you can see that we took this trade, right, at entry at 26086 based on a 4-hour entry. What was the premise of this? The premise of this is that we were taking a look on the 4-hour time frame, to be honest, and what we were looking at is before this became a confirmed daily, so we were looking at a 4-hour bottom confirming and holding its bottom, which is this red line here, to a daily confirmed bottom, which we got on this bar here where the rectangle is, and then holding further to become a weekly bottom. Okay, so we took this trade back in September and we rode it all the way through all these ups and downs. We still held it, and then we trailed our stop loss here, and then it did another swing over here, and then finally today then it hit our target. Okay, so we did hold it true for quite a bit of turns. Okay,
if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
So if you take a look at the weekly time frame, finally what has happened is that throughout this time, so 12 September to 16 October 2023, we held it for a little bit over than a month. And then now we have just closed it out for 2959 points at 1,000 pound risk. That's 2,535 pounds. Okay, so that's what we have done over there. The previous one that we took, we did lose on that in August, and that didn't hold, and that was a 1,000 pound loss. Okay, so we've taken two positions. We successfully caught for a 4-hour to a daily to a weekly bottom. Okay, and it just hit the target just today. So that's the closeout position on Bitcoin over there. For the full analysis on why we took in all that, do follow it through our Master the Markets 2010 channel. And also to understand our ideas and all of that, highly recommend you guys to watch Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course. Put this link over there on the URL and you can then access our 5-day video course very simply and for free as well. Very high quality material that has been collated over 12 to 15 years of our research, and with 38 years of cumulative team experience leveraged by quant traders. Okay, right, next one what I wanted to go through with you guys was gold as well. So gold was another one that we closed out during the week last week, as you can see, 1st of October, quite some time ago, and we got that for 1,620 pounds. Okay, you can see the whole idea premise of that as well. We took a short trade on that and then we rode it all the way down. You can find out more about that on live trading session, I believe would be 241. Okay, we'll be doing this quite a bit in terms of live trading sessions. Because we have conviction in what we have because of the research that we have backing it. The other one that we have also that I wanted to talk to you guys about was Brent oil. Now, Brent oil, what is the potential trade that is coming about? As I mentioned in the last update, weekly uptrend phase 2 because it's already confirmed its stop over here. Now wait for this confirmation bar low to be taken out, okay, before we take it towards the upside, is what I mentioned over here. Okay, right, so we can't really take anything, but we'll keep an eye out for that. All right, traders. The other one that we can take a look at potentially what's going on is the cable trade. I was taking a look at this yesterday night, but the only thing is, traders, is that from this confirmation bar close, so from this blue line here on the weekly, all the way to the low over here, that's about 700, 705. If I want to look at my probability tables, for this to take out that bottom and keep going down further, there's only about 20.24%. But another thing I'm taking a look at is for it to go from 700 to 750 to 800 remains at 2020. That means there's a high probability it can get to 800. So that is one thing that we got to be keeping an eye out towards the short position. All it's saying is that a runner which has had the stamina to get to 700 will also carry on to 750, 800 as well. All those 17 runners here that you can see are having the stamina to push forward. They don't turn back. So that's something that we can keep an eye out for. Okay.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Right, now finally to end off today, Dow Jones is what I'm going to be taking a look at. In terms of this one, again, what we did on a 4-hour entry for this bottom to hold, is it not, traders? Yeah, the same thing, 4-hour bottom to then go on to carry on to become a daily and then to become a weekly bottom. Okay, so that's what we did over here. So in terms of the daily over here, we've entered it on the 4-hour here, then it then carried on to become a daily bottom over there. Okay, on the same day itself. I'll just do a quick rectangle there if it allows me. Yes, that's right, it can do that. That's what we did. Now we are riding that move on, as you can see. So successfully we've caught a 4-hour to become a daily. Now will that daily bottom over here, right, is what where the blue arrow is according to our smart money framework indicator, hold on to become a weekly bottom as well. So now if you can also take a look at, if I put the VSA, the volume overlaying on that as well, you can see on the 4-hour it would have turned also green where we took the position on as well, right? So it did turn green, gave us an earlier entry over there, but we did come in a bit earlier over here because on price correlation. That's when we can see even in between the volume indicator, and we also looked at relative volume as well, which has been designed by the trade guided team. Okay, so great, traders. So that's what we got at the moment. So this is at the moment going in our favor, but remember, nothing is for certain until we realize our profit. Okay, so that is what we're doing here. So we will see how this trade goes, and if it does confirm on the weekly, then at that point then we can place a target accordingly based on our probability table. In fact, I spoke about this in very much in detail when we were invited to talk at the Society of Technical Analysis. Okay, so some of you would have seen the LinkedIn post and the our email coming out to you guys. I highly recommend you guys to watch those STA talk as well. Really well outlined and outlaid, and we got a lot of really good response and reviews and questions. The audience were really engaging over there as well. So for those of you who want all of that, I would say go ahead to our Master the Markets channel and then go to basically our 5-day video course over here. Just copy that link over there and then paste it onto here, and then all you need to do is just like a 1-2 minute job, and put your name, email address, and number if you want for live trading updates, and then you just click on this green button here and you will get all the 5-day video course, plus you will get into our database, as well as then you can also get all the regular updates, what we're doing, the events, and also you will also get the talk that we did to the Society of Technical Analysis. Okay, so that's a really great talk for you guys to look into. All right, traders, that's all from me on this trading video here, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.